our countertop dry display showcase. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length total of 21 3/4 inches, a depth of 15 1/4 inches, overall height also 15 inches. Left and right dual slide doors. Measurements for the top and bottom, the length, depth, and height will remain the same. And the measurements will include 13 inches in depth, 20.5 inches in length by 7.5 inches in height. So again, with the center shelf, the length and depth and height dimensions will remain the same for the top and bottom portion. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.